In this series of videos, I want to demonstrate to you how to set up a simple navigation system within your app. So it's often the case that apps have multiple screens, just like websites have multiple pages. And just like on a website where you want to set up a clear and consistent navigation system to get from page to page, on an app with multiple screens, you want to do the same. You want to set up a clear and consistent navigation system that will allow you to navigate your app, the multiple screens of your app, very easily. So I'm going to demonstrate how to go from one screen to another. How do you do that on an app? Okay, so let me show you first of all what it's going to look like. So if you look on your emulator here on the right, so our home screen is going to be this very simple screen. Got some text, welcome home. There's a blue button that says second screen. So if I click on that blue button, that takes me to the second page, which is very simple. There's just some text there. So this is not a full app, of course. This is just proof of concept, just to show you, focus on the basic concept of how to get from one page to another in an app. Okay, so that's what the app looks like. Okay, now the basic setup of the app is you got two pages. And by the way, you also notice at the top of the screen here, there's a back button. Kind of like on a browser, you have a back button. So there's a back button here that takes me back to the home screen. So the way I've set this up, the way I've structured it in terms of components is each page is a separate component. So the home screen, this one right here, is one component, which just has a text element and a button component inside of it. And then the second page is a separate component. Second page is a component by itself, which just has a text element in it. Okay, so that's the basic setup of the app. Now, in subsequent videos, I'm going to show you how the code actually works. I'm going to share a link with you. Share this link here so that you can actually look at the code yourself. Okay, but that's the basic overall concept for the app.